What's up guys, it's Justin back with another YouTube video. Today we are opening up the new 79 Bike Falcon Pro. Gonna be setting it up here and then maybe doing a first ride here to this evening. Here it is, Falcon Pro, off the plastic here. Now there's our front wheel. Looks like there's tons of zip ties and stuff. First impressions, got the front wheel there. Everything looks like it got shipped nicely. Super wrapped up good. Got all the plastics covering the graphics and stuff like that. Seat looks super nice. Has the fender there. Brake light. Look at these shocks. These shocks are massive. Looks like we got our charger here and another oh, look at that accessory box. This kind of one-handed. There's our charger. Yeah, let's get this thing all unwrapped. Got the plastics all off here now. All this stuff coming off here, all these zip ties. There's tons of zip ties on this thing. And now we'll just take off these yellow straps. They're holding it up. And we'll set up the little included little stand that you can set the bike up on to put the front wheel on. But yeah, look at that chain. That chain is legit. The thing is thick. Nice and greased up already, which is great. Yeah, there you go guys. 79 Bike Falcon Pro. Big shout out to ampedbikes.com. Find them on YouTube, find them on Instagram. They had these bikes in stock, which allowed me to get this shipped within a week. Like literally ordered it a week ago and now it's in my hands. First I'm probably gonna pull out this charger here. Maybe open up the battery. Let's open up this charger box. Warranty info, user's manual, don't need that. Don't need that. Here it is guys, here's their charger. That thing is, sturdy. It's completely metal, has all the nice cooling fans. On the top there has a nice little handle to hold it with. And yeah. We will open up this accessory box here. Got the front number plate. Pretty cool way to mount it. Comes with 2 keys and 2 key cards to be able to just swipe and start the bike from there. Comes with a nice little toolkit, which is just a bunch of Allens in it. All the sizes we'll probably need. Comes with nice little keychain. All leather, gray leather keychain, big ring on it. And we also got our, not gonna pull it all right here, but our pegs, and then our side reflectors. While I continue to get everything set up, I'm going to start charging my battery. Looks like key goes in here. Just one hand. Looks like it unlatches there. Opens right up. That thing is, that thing is heavy. That's probably a solid 10, 15 pounds right there. Nice long cord. A little lined up thread that is plugged in right there. Oh, little fan kicks on there. Looks like the battery comes about half charged. We'll make sure that's fully charged before we try to run anything, and we'll continue getting the bike set up. Straps on that. Just pop these little push tabs here. Strap loosens right up. Alright, back's free. Just gonna break her off. Back and forth. Just looks like it's just glued on. Nice and easy. Pull the wood block out. Keep that there. This other cap on. And front wheels on. Alrighty, next we will figure out how the handlebars get attached. Rotate the bar on there. Grab our other one. Feed it all through. Grab another one, go kitty corner. Try to act like I know what I'm doing a little bit. Here we are, handlebars are on. Figure out the wiring for my brakes here. Rear brake, probably have that right up next to my grip. That feels pretty solid right there. And go up like that. Yeah, that's gonna be a good spot. Riding right there. Got the screen. Beautiful. And then take off the glass cover on the front headlight. See, looks like rear brake works, then front brake works. Kickstand comes out. Tires are looking real full too. Those are filled for us, which is great. Makes it even easier. Got the pegs. So those attach, there's little tabs that stick out. And then this allows these to fold up in case you, looks like in case you hit something, rock or whatnot. Those aren't just gonna bend backwards and break on you. Alright, pegs are on. The accessories box provides us with bunch of zip ties, so I'm gonna go around kind of zip tying everything together, making sure all the wires are all put where they should be. Alrighty guys, bike is finally all put together. Let's throw the battery in. Go see if we can't take it for its first rip. Going dry here. We got eco and drive. So we'll see how he drives. Oh, that hurts. Ow. Definitely need some gloves for this thing.